I know how hard it feels when you are trying everything and still nothing works. For now, you have made your profile, you have picked your skill, and you have done every possible thing which is needed to do freelancing, and still you have not received any client. That's not your problem, or neither your skill is bad or your work is bad, but that's the complete different story behind why you're not getting clients. I'm going to tell you four major mistakes why people don't get client and how can you overcome them. First mistake is I do everything. If you are trying to offer too many things at once, if your profile says something like I do video editing, graphic designing, voiceovers, or and you think when I have written so many skills, I will get any client. But you are completely wrong and you are doing completely opposite of what you should do to get client. When a client lands on your profile, they don't see, wow, this person can do everything. They think that this person is not specified in anything and they simply move on from your profile. Clients are not looking for general helpers. They have some specific problem and they want someone who can solve that specific problem. They don't want any all-rounder. They want one who can solve their specific problem. So what you need to do is narrow down your skill. Pick one skill. Focus on one category of audience. If you are doing video editing, just focus on the clients who want your video editing skills. That will make you more trustable in front of clients. And most importantly, you will enhance your skill in one field rather than spreading your energy in 10 different skills. Second is the portfolio mistake. If you are thinking that you have made a portfolio, you have done everything, now you will start receiving clients. You wait for weeks and months, and when you still don't receive it, you think freelancing is not working for you. But here's the problem. If you have not added any work in your portfolio, then how will a client trust you? If you have not made any sample work so far, your first work should be make few sample projects which shows what you exactly do, and your sample project should be good. You don't need to be professional or anything. Just show what you do and that will help your client to see your work and they will decide if they should hire you or not. Your portfolio sample work act as your proof that you know what you are doing and you can help your client with their needs. Point 3 is single platform dependency. If you're putting your all effort in one platform, hoping you will get client, then it would be so hard for you to get your first client. Here's what nobody tells you about the platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. The algorithm decides who get visibility. If you're new, you are competing with hundreds of people on the platform who already have reviews, they have already built authority. So Fiverr has very low trust on you and they don't show your profile. So Fiverr prioritizes those freelancers who has reviews, they have done some work and client can trust them. So it make new freelancers so hard to get client when you're just starting out. And it is also very scary that if your account get disabled or flagged, then your whole income can fall down. And that has happened to many people. That doesn't mean you should not use those platforms. They are good, but don't let them to be your only source of income. When you are building your Fiverr profile, you can build many things for yourself. You can build your portfolio on your website. You can post your work on LinkedIn. You can start reaching out client directly through emails or Instagram DMs. And it is very important to diversify your traffic so that you don't get dependent upon one platform. This will help you to reduce the dependency on the platform and you can work more freely without any tension. If you are direct outreaching some clients, then you must be messaging them, right? The fourth mistake you must be doing is that writing robotic messages. Many times your messages sounds like it was written by ChatGPT. If you're direct outreaching the client, make sure you have a perfect message or email to use. There are many YouTube videos from which you can learn how to write a perfect email, how to outreach the client in a better way so that they hire you. At least your messages should feel like professional so that when client reads it, they think that yes, this person know what he is doing and he can offer me something good and I can trust him. Learn properly how to write emails for your clients. And from this method, chances are high for you to get client. Make sure to improve if you are doing any of these four mistakes. Don't be too broad, pick one skill. Don't waste your time in expecting clients to make your portfolio. Build good professional sample work and show it in your portfolio. Don't depend on one platform and stop sending generic emails and messages to your client. You don't need to start fixing all of these mistakes at once. Just pick one, work for it, and improve time by time. I know there are a lot of people who misguide you, so you need to use your brain. And the people you are seeing earning right now, they took 3 to 4 months just to get their first client, but they're still earning right now because they didn't quit. So have patience, fix these mistakes. You can also start earning from freelancing and finding clients. I usually make these type of honest based videos on side hustles so I can solve the problem of what other beginners are facing, which I faced when I was starting out. So make sure to like this video and subscribe if you want more help on side hustles topic and make money online topic. Also comment your thoughts and I will see you guys in the next one.